Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're going to open Shopkins. But by the way guys, sorry guys for the bad lighting, and yeah, it's really dark, so we're going to open this Shopkin. Is Chef Club Shopkin. Sorry guys, because yeah. So guys, I'm back because my Pringles fell, because I make that as a standard. So this is my Shopkins. My mom gave it to me yesterday because it's almost Christmas yesterday. So she buy me 2 toys. The other one is bigger. This is, I opened it already, and this is the one. This is super big and it's already there. So, by the way guys, I'm here at my Play-Doh like always. I always make videos here. I think so, but not always. And I forgot. And this is my oh no, there's a calculator there. This is my Shopkins, my other Shopkins. I have a lot of normal Shopkins, but not Petkins. Only just like 1, 2, 3. What's the other one? 4. I have only 4 Petkins, so that's, I don't know. This is the container of for the I don't know. So yeah, there. Just put it over there. So let's unbox this. Be careful, Casey. Oh, you have to do hashtag blah blah hashtag Casey's I don't know, Casey's team squad, so you can have a shout out. So yeah, and let's open this. It's over here. Ow. No. My mom is there. By the way, shout out to Kyrie because that's my BFF or best friend. I can't open this. So I'm opening it all the way. So, ouch. And there's live in Sis vs Bro. If you watch their channel, I'm not gonna spoil it, but I'm not gonna say it. There's a new video in Sis vs Bro videos. So I opened it already. Sorry if my grammar is just like not right, because I'm a Filipino. You know that? Here it is. Are you serious? Only this? This first, we have. We're just gonna do it. we have, bye-bye. We have the cooker thing for the I don't know, the waffle. So here it is. Close look for you guys. And on the next one, this is the cup. This is the cup. Why do you have a cup? Nah, I'm just gonna put it over there. Sorry guys if I'm wearing pajamas because yeah, I'm wearing pajamas. And there's a little plate here. Just like this. Just put it over there. And like this. Wait a minute. You can't see guys. There. And Mama. And here's a raspberry orange. This is a raspberry. How I'm gonna fit this over there? It's too big. I'm gonna fit. How I'm gonna fit this? Sorry, God. Here's there. The next one is the big. The big waffle. It's just like stacks. So here's the quick look. It's just like orange, but it's just like dark orange in this camera, but in real life it's just like it's just like light orange. Yeah. And the other one in there, wait guys, in there is just like there's just like 59 of Shopkins in here, and there's a lot. And comment down below how many is this Shopkins. Here's the other one. You can't see her face. There. And there's more. Ooh, I love this one. I love this one. Ow! And there's another waffle. It's just like a chocolate one. But it don't have hands, just like this one. You don't have hands. I think it would rip off. Here and upside. And let's take the chocolate. And I love chocolates. Oh, it's so cute. This one's so cute. This one. 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 This is the chocolate one. I have another chocolate one over here. And this is my favorite one. This is my favorite one. Like, super favorite. In the camera, it's just like, wait a minute, guys. So, guys, remember? And this is the strawberry. Wait a minute. And in real life, it's just like hot pink. In the camera, it's just like red. So, the next one. What is this? By the way, that's a strawberry. Okay. I don't know what is this. Comment down below what is this. Yeah. Whoa. And this is the lemon. OMG, it's just like the same. Ah! There. Wait a minute, guys. Ah! Oh, I'm so crazy. How am I gonna fit the big one? That's weird. So I'm gonna fit this in. And how I'm gonna fit this too. Just protect. Yeah. I have Pokemon cards. That's decent. I have a lot of them. My friend have a stack. Just like this tall. No, way bigger than my leg. So, okay. So I have this now. So comment down below what do you like. So you have to subscribe, like, and share to your friends, of course. And check my what's that again? Whatever. Check my TikTok. Name is Casey's Life in Musically. And at Facebook, and of course here. And